Hey guys, I'm back. So as you can probably tell, we got the new battery. And this is me hooking it up so we can see what we're dealing with so far. And I moved the heads back up so that we can have more space or more room to work when we fix the switch problem in the future. So. This is the old one, new one. Now, I've already shown you what the old one looks like in the previous videos, so I'm not going to show you that. Battery was made in 92, same as the circuit board, I believe, or something. And then, there we go. Not sure if it's just age that this is so hard to get off, or what, but there we go. Now we just hook it up to the new one, like so. Try to make sure I'm still in frame here. Let's see if I can get a better. There you are. Okay. Tab used to write. And yeah, I believe. Make sure I got a good connection. Alright, I think that's as good as it's gonna get, I think. Hopefully you saw that. Yeah, it looks like you did. Oh, sorry guys, knocked into my tripod. Sorry about that, didn't mean to do that to you guys. Not my intention. Alright, now, as you can tell, we already have a slot open. Hey guys. So, probably should have thought this out better. So we got charge. As you can see, the light is on. The thing is charging. Light is on. So, I'm going to cut back to 24 hours, approximately, give or take, and I will, yeah, I'm not going to do that. Sorry, and I'll unplug it and we will see what we get. Yeah. That's what we're going to, there we go. Should have zoomed. Alright, so, yeah, that's the unit. Looks like it's good so far. So we'll see what happens. tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother putting the this bit on there just yet. I don't think, because we're just gonna have to end up taking the battery out when we do the surgery, so to speak. I plan on doing that maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day, depends on my dad's schedule. Really, but yeah, so it's probably, yeah, so it would normally look like that with the little screw thing or whatever that came with it that I do have, but it's not ready yet. Obviously, you know, it still has to have, well, like, I think one more operation in terms of the switch, but this is just to see where the patient is, you know, so far. And I have no idea why I'm using medical terms. Is it, but yeah, I guess it's fun to use medical terms for things that are not alive. Or at least it is for me. And no, I don't think these are alive or anything like that. Just a quick little side note. So it's charged in to my Radio Shack outlet or surge protector thing. So only time will tell with what happens. And yeah, I'll check back with you tomorrow, and through the magic of editing, you guys will not have to wait, whereas I will. So yeah, be thankful you are the viewers, and you can just have the jump cut for you. Like I said, I don't consider yourselves lucky. And yeah, that's it for this little update. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, bye. Hey guys, I just noticed something interesting that I don't remember the last time, but last time I had this with the battery in it and on, I don't remember if this, because I remember it blinking, but I don't remember if that other light was on. The yellow, or the, yeah, the yellow. So I'm wondering if it's ready. I don't know. I'm going to try something. Hang on. I'm not going to try that. I'm going to try just unplugging it. See if the battery's already charged. I doubt it, but I'm going to try it. Hey, it's ready! Awesome. Looks like it came with the battery that was ready. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. Awesome. Oh, great. So it works. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, that means all you have to do is, alright, my battery, okay, my camera's letting me know I don't have much battery left, so I'll make this quick. I just want to see if the test button works. Hey, it works! Alright! Oh my god, guys, you have no idea how happy I am. Right, so that means tomorrow we can just do the surgery and we'll be fine. Yeah, right. Alright, alright. I'm so happy. Alright. Alright, so I got very little battery life on this camera because I've been recording today quite a bit from my last video, so yeah. Oh, I'm so happy I noticed that little light thing, because that's what clued me in as to thinking, okay, this may be ready already. So, yeah, I'm so happy. And you guys got to see it with me. Hope you enjoyed. I know I certainly did. I'll see you at this in the OR, in the operating room with my dad in his workshop, where we'll be performing the surgery, and hopefully all goes well, and all that, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, the next day, or whenever we shoot, and we upload and all that. So, bye.